So good evening, students. Today we have to see about discuss about the some of case study on laser applications. So we already discussed about some of how to fabricate a laser device, how to it was laser light was what is produced, what is the physical principles behind the production of the laser light, what are the components we have in this fabrication of laser devices. So we have seen that lot of discussion we are going to the we are seeing in the classrooms. So now we discuss about some of application oriented laser device applications. So Subhas, you have to prepare any case study on laser applications. Any of you points can we tell that about lasers application in any field. If you are interested in various field, you can choose everyone for different fields. Now you can tell Subhas what is the application, a case study point of view, what are the main application in your field, what your the field to free in feel to speak in about any of the industry. So Subhas, we have start now.
So as we see laser applications in the medical field, after the advent of laser in the medical field, there is a lot of new changes, and it also made the treatment very precise, and it also made the treatment more easier. For example, the LASIK surgery and the cancer treatment helps us to diagnose the disease more earlier in the earlier stages, and it also helps us to find the disease, and also it makes them to cure more precisely. After the advent, as a study says, in most of the German hospitals, they are using this laser technique to treat the diseases, and it's also very useful in eye cancer diagnosis and in many sectors, dermatology and various fields in medicine. Laser is being the most important part.
So very good. Not only for that, the technology will be so far. India now it's a modern technology. We have arrived in India. We also have a very good facilities for the medical. So as well as German well developed practice, we have a sophisticated instrumentation. In the recent years, India also having the a lot of sophisticated components on laser to treat different retinal cancers, blood cancers, whatever tumors, blue tumors will be used. Nice topic, nice point of view from the medical application. Any other applications?
Sir, I would like to say about the applications in the manufacturing industries of the laser. So it is widely used for manufacturing and production of products, which helps us to consume our time and the precision of making the product. So it's mainly used in the manufacturing industries such as for cutting and welding processes for metals and non-metals in the mechanical fields. So it's very useful for the mechanical engineers to cut the metals into a proper and precision shape. So next it is used for engraving and marking, which is nothing but using for making barcode markings and many other things. So next it is also used in the additive manufacturing such as laser sintering, and it is used for the 3D models making. It is used in the electronic industries to make minute products.
Good. So a lot of commercial applications are coming from the device came from the laser device. We can say that the commercial product will be. We are going to the supermarket. We have to go scanning the barcode of the product. We will be used by the laser. We have to read it. So in the industry, manufacturing industry, there's a wire cutting process or say a laser cutting process. It is mainly consuming our time and our energy, human resource, and also as well as money, as well as time. So it is nice presentation, nice topics from a nice discussion on that. Vignesh, now we have to discuss about.
Sir, I'm here to discuss about applications of laser in defense mechanism.
Defense.
Sir, lasers provide advanced solution in defense mechanism as well as in testing and having a precise aim. Sir. So apart from that, they have, if there is an obstruction in pinpointing some drones or something like that, lasers provide a clear vision and they can have the ability to penetrate through the smoke or something like that. Sir. So apart from that, now US has tested a ship mount laser technology which can disable all the drones and missiles within a far distance within a single second.
Okay, so there's a very important point. So nowadays the era will be changed from the conventional conventional war to the modern technology. It will be technological war. The future will be goes to the more drastically changes. So laser one of the main component to avoid opposite parties, opposite countries to neutralize the drones, waters, unmanned vehicles, laser jets will be controlled by neutralized by the new our laser weapon systems. So laser weapon system also in the India having the some of the techniques, some of idea about that. We have seen that some of articles we are studying about the India also preparing to developing the laser weapons for the society's welfare or security. So next the next topics will be discussed by the Vivarma. Then finally we have to go for Sabrish. So what about your thoughts?
So I am here to talk about the laser and communication field. As you know, the fiber optics, lasers are used to transform data as light pulse to an optical fiber. It enables high-speed internet and data. And lasers in satellite communication. It is used to transform data between ground and satellite with minimal signal loss. And lasers in underwater. Green and blue lasers are used for short-range communication in water.
In its applications, there is a lot of application in the communication. If you see that the latest inventions, deep space applications, deep space communication will be only NASA. We are also trying to communicate the deep space communication. This satellite is moved from our solar panels. The deep space communication only by the laser laser lights will be able to communicate faster than the conventional electromagnetic radiations also present in these recent years. So far we have discussed a very few points. We have discussed the four members are discussed a very few points with the vertical manner. So nice points we have discussed on some of case studies will be there. So we have discussed, we have seen the next interesting topics on various case studies on various topics. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.